Okay, so today we are going to try to make some slime. We have glue, we have our water, and we have our detergent, and a small little spoon. Okay, so let's start with pouring in some glue. 30 minutes later. Ah! Oops. Oh no. Okay. Ooh, look at that. I don't know how much glue to put in. I'm gonna just use the whole bottle. Okay, now we're gonna add some water into this little glue container just so that we don't waste all the glue. Okay. I'm gonna shake, shake, shake. Let's mix it, mix it, mix it. Now let's add our soap. I think that's a lot. Look at that. It's coming to life. I can't believe it's working. It's actually coming to life. It's kind of baby blue, but yep, we need more of that. Boom. Look at that. Ah! It's chunky. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. I think I'm gonna need the whole detergent here. That should be enough. That looks so cool. Look you guys. Look how cool that looks. Okay, this is not working out for me. Look at that. It's really chunky. I don't know if I added too much soap or I didn't add enough water. Look how thick that is. What do we do? Ah! I don't know how I did it wrong. Look at that. Oh look, there's a little blue part here. I feel like the detergent just stayed in one spot. Look at that. It won't pop. Look. I lost it. It's over here somewhere. Ah. I don't know where it went, but I have lots of like little blue bubbles with detergent. No! What an epic fail. Slime fell. Maybe I just didn't mix it well. Okay, so I had to go get more soap because this was not working. So now we're adding a whole bunch just to see what happens because I couldn't make it to... Oh, I couldn't get it to go. I couldn't... What? What's happening? Look at that. I couldn't get it to... Oh, that's a cute picture. I couldn't... That looks pretty cool, actually. Look at that. Okay, so I had to use more, and it's working better now. It's actually working. Interesting. What? Can't believe it's actually working. Look at that. That is amazing. I thought I wasn't gonna get it right. Now I think I added too much soap. On the bright side, we got more glue. I think this is just like a trial and error thing because I'm barely figuring this out too. Look at that. Looks pretty cool. Wish I could take out the bubbles though. I think that mixed it too much around. but we got slime. We are one step further, so we're okay. We're okay. Anymore. Okay, we're just gonna keep mixing and figure it out. In the comments below, let me know what I did wrong or how much I was supposed to add, because this is not what I was expecting. Ooh, it's coming together. Awesome. It's a little sticky. Oh, look. Oh, I just had to mix it more. Okay, cool. Look, it's not sticky no more. So here's our blue glitter. It's a little bit. And then here's our pink glitter. So let's... Oh, my hands are slippery. Okay. Let's try the blue. Ooh, we could open it with one hand. Okay, now let's add our glitter. Let's make a little design here. Ooh, look, that's so pretty. Let's just paint the top because I feel like it looks so gorgeous. I don't know if you guys can tell, but off camera, it looks pretty cool. Now let's add in a yellow. And let's add in the color green. Ooh, this is a pretty color. Oh, this one had a lot of glitter. Some beads to make it all pretty. Look at that one. And mix it. Whoa! Oh no, don't cover it though. I wasn't ready. I think it's gonna look kinda pretty. I think it needs some more color though. We're gonna add more yellow. Well, this color's like gold, so I wouldn't say yellow. It's like more like gold. Oh, I should have added that color first. It's so pretty. Red. Now that's looking pretty cool. Yeah, I'm gonna beads just because I like how it looks. Ooh, look at that. Oh, look, there's a pretty pink here. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.